Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix loss limit on Betfair exchange. So let's get started. For that, we need to get into any browser and search for betfair.com, and we get into interface like this, and make sure you are logged into it. Now over here we can see this profile icon. Simply tap on that. Now if you scroll down, over here we can see safer gambling tools option. Simply tap on that. And if you scroll down over here, we can see set your loss limit. Simply tap on this one, and we need to select the product. Let's select the time period and select the amount here, and click on continue, and simply click on confirm, and the limit is finally set. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.